Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We're just hanging at home, but I really had to make this recipe even though we're not camping. I found this super cool pasta called confetti pasta, and we made this super yummy treat bag pasta. This is how I made it. Now, I fell in love with this pasta. I just think that all the shapes definitely remind me of trick-or-treating on Halloween, getting all sorts of different kinds of candy and all sorts of different shapes and sizes. Now first I just boiled the pasta, and I kept stirring it because some of the pieces were pretty big and others were small, so I wanted it to kind of cook evenly and try not to get it to stick to the bottom or stick to each other. I got this pasta from Williams-Sonoma. All of it is made in Italy and it's just a bunch of different little shapes. After a while, I had the pasta boiled and then I just drained it, and we got this super delicious Alfredo sauce from Costco, so we put that on there. I just added in a few spices like basil and Italian seasoning. After that, just toss in the pasta. And I topped mine with some bacon and some cute skeleton white cheddar puffs. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you get notified the next time we upload a fall Halloween inspired video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.